10,000 doses of the vaccine against African swine fever, or ASF, have arrived in the country. The doses have been allotted for growing hogs in Lobo, Batangas, and were acquired through emergency procurement. Each town in Batangas will receive 500 doses of the vaccine to help prevent the spread of ASF. For their part, hog raisers are concerned the Department of Agriculture, or DA, might not be able to shoulder the expenses in purchasing the needed supply of vaccines.
Kasi ang isang vial ay 50 doses. Kailangan namin na igrupo sila ng 50 para pag binakunahan, walang masayang. Pero bago namin bakunahan, titingnan namin muna ang dugo. Pag may kargatong virus, hindi namin ito babakunahan.
Hopefully maging affordable to para sa lahat. Kasi ang vaccine right now, existing vaccine right now na ginagamit namin ng lahat ng vaccine is nagre-range po siya ng from 20 pesos to as high as 100 pesos. So yun yung range na ang afford ng mga end users.